A diet that gives you more energy, helps you burn fat without muscle loss, and keeps your mind focused, all without counting every calorie. This sounds too good to be true, right? But out of anything you could possibly do for your health, intermittent fasting is one of the most important things you can do. There is nothing else that even comes close in creating more health. Now on the flip side, what most people are doing wrong nowadays is snacking, which is like the worst thing you can do for your health. Watch this video to the end and you will learn how intermittent fasting works, how your mind and body can extremely benefit from it, and tricks to make it so easy that you'll be surprised. Straight from my own experience and a whole lot of science to back it up. Let's dive in. Intermittent fasting basically means that you have a daily window where you don't eat for 16 hours and then eat in the remaining hours. If that sounds impossible, just think about it. You already fast every night while sleeping. All you're doing is stretching the fasting period just a little bit longer. Why should you do that? Because when you give your body a break from constant digestion, you let it tap into stored fat and regulate your blood sugar levels. It's like pressing your reset button every day. No complicated macro counting or meal plans needed. The best part is, everyone will benefit from it. If you're struggling with overweight or if you're an athlete, it doesn't matter. The first benefit is steady weight management. Instead of micromanaging every bite, your body naturally burns stored fat during the fasting window. It's like letting your system do some house cleaning. And most importantly, you don't lose muscle like in other diets, which is very important for people like me or people like you who are doing sports. Better metabolic health. Research shows improved insulin sensitivity, meaning your body handles carbs more efficiently, helping you avoid those sugar highs and lows. But how does this benefit you in everyday life? In short, you'll feel more energetic, have better control over your appetite, and make weight management easier, while avoiding illnesses like diabetes. Cellular cleanup. With a daily fast, your cells have time for something called autophagy. This literally means eating yourself, and is basically our body tossing out the trash. This helps us to stay good looking and vital even when we are aging. This phenomenon is also often linked to preventing serious illnesses like cancer because it removes defective cells, which is the starting point of all cancers. This is what really stands out for me. Fasting will give you amazing results for your brain. The first benefit is clearer focus and improved productivity. You remember the benefit of stable blood sugar? It actually helps your mind too. The brain relies on glucose as its primary energy source. Stable blood sugar ensures a continuous supply of energy, supporting consistent cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and decision making. So what does this mean for you? You automatically become more productive and avoid falling into a food coma and feeling sluggish and tired. In my experience, I have less brain fog, especially in the late mornings, and can focus much better on my work and studies. Improved mood and emotional control. I'm sure you know the Snickers ad. I don't have to repeat the catchphrase again, but it's not completely wrong. Blood sugar spikes and crashes lead to mood swings and irritability. With intermittent fasting, we stop being annoying and get actually calmer and can control our emotions better. Research shows that this diet improves the release of endorphins. Endorphins are, in simple terms, the body's natural feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress and boost mood. Additionally, studies indicate that fasting can reduce inflammation, a factor known to contribute to depressive symptoms. For me, the most important recommendation is to hydrate. You'll realize that half your hunger was just thirst. Things that will help you fast longer are, for example, green tea. Green tea will help your insulin resistance and it will allow you to fast longer because it helps you reduce your appetite. Ginseng and ginger are also great in your tea to lower appetite. There's also a trap you should definitely avoid, and this is snacking. You might think a small snack, as long as it's low in calories, should be okay, like eating a small protein bar, but that's exactly the trap. Even if it's low in calories, protein still triggers your insulin. Less than carbs, but it's still going to ruin all plan. After an hour, you will feel hungry again and maybe break your fast. It's a simple solution, but just don't buy snacks. If you don't have snacks at home, you will not fall into the temptation to snack. To conclude, is intermittent fasting worth the hype? In my opinion, absolutely. You get amazing benefits from moderate effort. It's a simple tweak that can change how you eat, think, and live. And that's exactly why so many people, myself included, stick to it. So if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more health and mindset tips. And always remember, the pain of change is always less than the pain of stagnation.